Okay guys, we're going to be drawing a super cool American Bobtail today. So these are really fluffy cats, and we're going to start with the ears. We're going to draw like this curved line up here, and then we're going to stop. This is going to be one of the ears, and then we're going to draw this curved line on one side of it. That's going to be the inside of the cat's ears, and then we're going to add some zigzag lines. These zigzag lines are going to be the hair inside of the ear, because this is a really fluffy cat. Trust me, you'll see it when we finish. We got to make every part of this cat fluffy, including the inside of the ears. So we're gonna add a couple more lines to finish off this ear, and then we're gonna do the exact same thing on this side. So we got that slightly curved line, another curved line for the inside of the ear, a line that goes slightly down, and then we have to add the hair that's on the inside of the ear. So we got a zigzag, another zigzag, another zigzag. Then we're gonna add another line, and then another line, and then one more line that connects it. So there are the ears. As you can see, they are very fluffy, very fuzzy. Then we're gonna do the top of the head. That's gonna be 2, 3 zigzags. 1, 2, 3 zigzags. And then we're going to do the same thing on the sides of the face. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, and then it kind of curves in. We're going to do the same thing on this side. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then it kind of curves in. Then when we're done with that, we can draw the eyes. So I'm going to draw this U shape, but we're not going to connect it. It's not going to be quite an oval. We're going to make this U shape. This U shape. You'll see why. We need to add his eyebrows. So we're going to draw these angry looking eyebrows. But I promise our bobtail isn't actually angry. They just want to play. So then we're going to draw the pupils. So they're kind of looking off to the side. Maybe she's playing with a toy. Maybe she is chasing another cat. I don't know. That's up to you to decide. Then we're going to add another circle. Another circle for the shine of the pupil. And then one more circle. So we're going to color in this one. We're going to leave the tiny circle white and the bigger circle white as well. When you're done with that, we can move on to the nose. The nose is just a little triangle. Then we can draw the mouth. And a line above for the snout. Then we can go ahead and draw the chin. The chin just kind of connects everything together. And then we have the head. Honestly, the head is the hardest part. So everything from here should be a lot easier. We're going to draw one piece of chest fluff. 2, and we're going to draw a line here, and then another line here. This is going to be one of her legs. Then we're going to add some fluff to like her elbow. Then we'll add her toes. And as you can see, she's kind of in like a pouncing position. Then we're going to draw the other paw and add the toes. And there we go. We have the front of the body. And we just need to do the other half. So we're going to add some more zigzags, some more fluff for the tummy. Then we're going to stop because we need to leave some room. Then we're going to draw the back. Now, the back of the body is going to be taller than the front of the body. Then we're going to start drawing the hind leg. It's a curved line, and then it stops because we need to leave room for the paw. Then we're going to add some zigzags for the back of the body. Then we just need to finish off the leg. We'll draw the rest of the foot. Then all we need are some toes. And we have one done. Now we need to draw the other one. So we're gonna draw a curved line, goes around, and then comes back up. Then we draw some toes. And then last but not least, we need to draw that little bobtail. So we have some zigzags, the line that curves out, and then the line that curves on the top. And there's the tail. When you're done drawing, you can color it however you want. Honestly, American Bobtails come in pretty much any color you can think of, so here's mine. Have fun coloring and bye guys.